in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to reset your HP laptop, tablet, or desktop to factory settings, but supposedly still preserve your personal files. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to walk through the process in a moment, but I would still strongly advise you guys to back up important documents, pictures, and videos to an external source like a USB flash drive or a network drive. Storage is very cheap and inexpensive, and Microsoft, there can be issues with the restore process. So even if you keep all your files in the documents folder, pictures folder, there's no guarantee it's going to be preserved. So I would definitely recommend you back it up regardless on your own. And then again, once I've already put that disclaimer out, let's just go ahead and open up the search menu, type in settings, best results, should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select System on the left panel. On older versions of Windows, it would say Update and Security. And then just scrolling down, you want to select the recovery option here. And then select Reset this PC, Reset PC. And then you would select the Keep My Files option. Removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. And then just follow through with the on-screen wizard. Pretty automated process from here. Again, I really need to stress that you should back it up. I don't really understand, or I kind of don't support how Microsoft words this here, but that's just my opinion. So anyway, hope this brief tutorial was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.